Every action has an intention or a purpose. In the case of the Jamestown Settlement, White Roanoke, and Lord Baltimore, the purpose for each of these has a common thread: to start a new life. The colonists brought over a vision and a set of values, and also came with a hunger for religious freedom, which is still a part of our Constitution today. These settlements also ended up growing an economy, which evolved into the current system. The land distribution is also similar to how it was divided up many years ago when the nation had formed. One of the main purposes for sailing to the new land was to search for religious freedom, where the colonists could practice Christianity as they pleased. Even today, our country is tolerant of religious freedoms and has expanded to include more religions than just denominations of Christianity. However, Christianity is still present in today's society. The colonists from all the stories realized that they didn't have the resources they needed to sustain life. They solved these issues with trade and the creation of plantations, farms, and the roots of what would become industries. Trade deals with England and the Native Americans evolved into our current trade deals. These first trials of trade set an example for future trade deals. In all three cases of colonization, what united the colonists are common goals, such as freedom, finding a new life, and a happy lifestyle. These common goals have lasted even to our present-day lives and perhaps have even become what we know as the American dream. Relationships with Native Americans were generally rough, partly in thanks to the superiority complex that the colonists brought with them. The new settlers took advantage of the Native Americans, often oppressing them. These bad relationships led to violence and sometimes the downfall of a whole community. Even today, Native Americans are still oppressed. A present-day example of this is the fight to preserve Native American land in North Dakota.